everybody and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So hi if you're new here, my name's Tabby. I make videos on motherhood and fashion and cleaning and vlogs and come shopping with me and hauls and all sorts of things. So if you like a real mixed bag, you don't know what you're gonna get next, then please do subscribe. I'd love to have you here. Today, I am going to do a home bargains haul. Now you might not believe this, but I've never ever been to a home bargains before. I'd seen videos on YouTube and I was like, that looks amazing. And they opened one up locally, so I was like, I'm going to go and have a look. I'm going to go and see what all this is about. So within like 5 minutes of being in there, I was like, move over Poundland, there's a new kid on the scene. So I picked up a huge, like, I literally couldn't fit any more stuff in here. The lad on the checkout was like, are you sure you don't need another bag? And I was like, I'll be fine. So I went into Home Bargains and I picked up quite a few like wrapping bits and a few presents as well. So I'll show you what I've got. Okay, so normally we're just rebels and we just like dive on into the bag, but today I've actually sorted it out into categories so it can pretend that we're organised. So starting with the presents that I bought. So the first thing I picked up, which is probably the biggest and most expensive, was for a new baby in the family, and it's this Chico bath toy. It floats on the bath, I believe, and it's got like an easy grab handle, and it comes with little fishes that can kind of go down the slide and plop into the water, and I just thought it was really cute. And I think it was about £8, which I just thought was really nice. It's got like a little thing that goes round here and an octopus that squidges, and yeah, so I just thought that was a lovely little present, and this is just one to go with like a few other bits. So I got this for my godson. It's just this little link set and it's the golden year. I've not heard of this one before, so I thought it would like mix it up a bit. Better than your standard old Africa, because I just get him Africa links every single year since like the year dot. So I thought this would like be a bit more creative. This is about £2.99 I think, or £2.79. You just can't go wrong for a teenage boy than a link set, can you? They love to douse themselves in the stuff. For my husband, I got this rather vintage looking bar of Cadbury's Dairy Milk. It's just a really old fashioned style package, and I just thought that would be really nice as a little stocking filler for him. I thought this was lovely. This is an organiser with pen, and it says on it, the future is what you make it. And this is just for one of my friends. I got a pair of trainers, but I just thought this would be a nice little something to go in with it. I think this is around about the £2 mark, but it's got a lovely little rose gold pen in there as well. I just thought the colourway was really nice, and it's just a nice little stocking filler, so that was brilliant. This I got for one of my cousins. It's a reed diffuser and like a couple of candles. Winter Woodland candle and diffuser set. I love the little pine cone and pine needle designs on the end. I love the fact it looked like a Christmas cracker. I think this was £2.99, but you know, it's so festive, and it's like, I smelt some of the other things in the range and it smells absolutely gorgeous as well. And I think when you're a mom, like my cousin is a mom too, she's got 2 boys, and I just think when you're a mom, it's so nice to have things like this that you can just like light a candle, have your diffuser on, be surrounded by a nice smell. It just lifts your mood a bit when you can be feeling a bit like maybe down or just tired, just shattered. I'm gonna put that with a nice bottle of wine. I got this for my little boy's Christmas Eve box, and it's got a Rudolph on and a snowman and a Father Christmas. So my little boy will have just turned 2, so he's not into kind of like the hot chocolate like stage yet. He doesn't like hot things at the moment, so I thought I could maybe get him like, has anybody tried that like festive Ribena, you know, like the Ribena spice? But my little boy could have maybe like a weak version of that in this as his like festive Christmas drink. So I thought this is great for a toddler because obviously it's got a lid, so he's not going to spill it everywhere. It's got glitter, it's got festive characters. I mean, it's got everything you could possibly want in a toddler cup. Unfortunately, Christmas is a time when we do remember those that aren't with us at Christmas. And I go and visit the graves of my nanny and granddad at Christmas time, and so I thought this was a lovely thing to actually take up to the graves. It's a candle and it's in like a long vase, which means, you know, the wind can't blow it out, and it says on it, forever loved and missed at Christmas time. I generally make them a Christmas arrangement to go on the grave. So I thought what I'd do this year is actually put this in the middle of it and have like the foliage and stuff around the outside. And I just thought it'd be really nice to have a candle, because I do normally put a candle in the middle of the foliage decoration, but obviously if it's a bit windy or cold it just goes out. So I'm hoping like having this glass vase around it will mean that the candle can actually burn for a while once we've actually left the gravestones. Oh, next I pick up some Dettol spray. This is an apple. Is it apple? No, it's cucumber. I thought it was apple. It's actually cucumber splash. I'm not really sure how this will smell then. Cucumbers don't really smell like anything, do they? I swear by this. I've tried all the other flavours, but I haven't seen the green flavour before, the cucumber flavour. So I thought I'd just pick it up and try it because I've run out and needed another one. Their cleaning section in Home Bargains is amazing. I got quite a few bits of decorating stuff there. Christmas section, like the decorations and that were amazing. I didn't pick up any decorations because I think we've got enough. But I did pick up some wrapping bits and pieces. So the first thing I got was this 25-piece foil wrap set. I love gold, you all know I love red and gold. Our house is red and gold, Christmas is red, green and gold, and I like to wrap in red and gold. I love the fact that it's got like this sequin ribbon in. I've not seen something like that before. And it's got a whole range of different kinds of bows. There's some like holographic ones, some like double bows with like a flouncy bit in the middle and a standard bow around the outside, and then your standard curling ribbon. So there's a good selection in there. That should do quite a few presents, and it was a fabulous price. I can't remember all the price of this stuff, but most of it was like really cheap. This one was another one. It's got the curling ribbon in, a little bit more selection of colours than just gold. I think this would look really nice with brown paper. And then an added surprise, which I didn't notice at the time, is there's actually a load of bows stuffed in there too. So yeah, extra surprise in your wrapping stuff. So they're really cute. They're little ones as well, so they'd be great for like smaller presents. I got some unicorn stickers. If you've been following my Vlogmas, you know that my friend is getting a bag packed with unicorn stuff. Sparkly glitter unicorn stickers. She'll love it. This is for my husband's present. I can't say what he's getting on here because he'll probably watch this video and then he'll know and he'll just ruin it. So this is for my husband's present. It's very small, Sal. Your present is teeny weeny. And then I got these two items. This is a Jingle Bells light up necklace, which is really cute. It's like tiny little fairy lights. So I'm hoping that will work. And then this is like mini tinsel. I think this was 99p. This is a glitter lanyard. One of my friends, every time we go into a shop that sells lanyards, she spends ages and ages looking through them all. She has to wear like an ID thing for work, so she's always like foraging in lanyards. And this one is really lovely. It's purple, which is her favourite colour, and it's got all these rhinestones on it. It's really glittery, so that's just a little stocking filler for her. Because what more could you want than a lanyard for Christmas? You know, Tabby buys the best presents. And then I did pick up some foodie bits. I was actually amazed at the selection of like grocery stuff they've got in there. There was loads of things that I'd like not seen before in like your standard grocery shop. And the things that you do find in your standard grocery shop were significantly cheaper. So I picked up some self-popping butter-kissed sweet popcorn. So satisfying to pop this in the microwave, like, but you have to be really careful because it burns so easily. This is a firm favourite in this household. Love to have this sometimes with a cup of tea in Coronation Street because we're old. Some Milky Bars for the boy, he'll absolutely love these, and some like pocket fruit snack box minis for the boy also. I did think these were raisins when I just picked them up, but actually there's a whole selection of different things in there. So sultanas and apple, raisins and apricot, and raisins and sultanas. Hold on, aren't raisins and sultanas the same thing? What's the difference between a raisin and a sultana? I got these to smuggle into my bedside cabinet so I can eat them when my husband's not here. These are Mississippi Mud Pie Maryland cookies. Milky Way Magic Stars. My little boy like part of his bedtime routine is every night we take one Milky Way Magic Star, because I'm generous, one Milky Way Magic Star up to bed, and we sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and then he gets his magic star and he knows that that's like the time then we have to settle down for bedtime. Fredos, this is like a lunchbox snack and a treat for my little boy every now and then. This is actually a variety pack. I did not know they did a Fredo variety pack. So there's a standard Fredo, a caramel Fredo, and a popping candy Fredo. And there's 5 in here. But do not even get me started about the shrinking size and expanding price of Fredos the frogs. Don't get me started, I will rant for hours. And last but not least, just a little something for my mom. It's a pick and mix, like Tutti Fruities, fruit pastels and fruit gums, like little selection tube thing. These are always great as stocking fillers. It's not Christmas unless you get one of these with your favourite sweeties in. That's everything I got from Home Bargains. I am amazed by this place. I cannot believe I haven't come across one before. So if you haven't seen it, make sure you check out my going to Home Bargains for the first time, come shopping with me video. It'll be one of my last Vlogmases. If you are enjoying my Vlogmas, please do hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. And yeah, I will see you again tomorrow. Bye!